Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of SEO Bros, where we roast websites and give them awesome feedback on their SEO. I'm Ben, this is Yaron. What's up, Yaron?
What's up?
Yaron, I was just thinking about a nickname for you. I think I came up
Okay.
with one.
Okay,
Yaron
let's hear it.
Megatron.
Yeron Megatron. Okay. What am I, like a transformer or something?
Yeah, you're like a superhuman.
You know, Ben,
What?
it's we kinda screwed up here.
Why?
Look at me and look at you.
What?
We screwed up, man. We
With
screwed
what?
up. Oh, we're good to go.
Oh, sorry. Oh, well, we need that. Sunglasses.
Definitely, man.
I thought there was some kind
We're
of
roasting.
confession coming here. I was
No.
worried. You didn't prepare me for that. Ah, ah.
There we go. Oh, now that's the Ben I know.
Okay, so today we're roasting a really cool website. It's called UserVoice, and we're roasting it blind. We have no idea what to do, what it's about, never seen it. Let's roll the tape.
All right, let me share my screen. User voice. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Close this off.
So it looks like it's a product discovery tool, features,
A
feedback.
product discovery tool. Drive customer satisfaction through the roof. The ultimate tool for product discovery. What does that mean? Transform your product's future through real user feedback, guiding you to uncover problems worth solving and solutions worth building. Join us and start your discovery journey today. Okay, so they're like, so what, you're crowd sourcing feedback on your product and then iterating on it
I think it's a
using their
tool.
platform?
Yeah. I think it's
Okay.
a tool for SaaS companies to improve their products.
Hmm.
Let's look at their features. Like, what do they do here?
Continuous product discovery. Embrace continuous product discovery, transforming user feedback into actionable insights that shape your product's evolution and foster ongoing innovation. Prioritize opportunities, not solutions. Prioritize opportunities through insight. That's like a bit contradicting what they said up top, no? Prioritize opportunities through insightful user feedback, focusing on problem spaces to drive impactful solutions in your product discovery journey. I don't understand the title of this segment. Like, prioritize opportunities, not solutions. And then you're saying, but you can prioritize your solutions. So are we prioritizing solutions or not?
I don't know. Homepage copy needs some work.
Boost
Uh,
customer. Maybe it's just my ignorance on the topic. I don't know.
But
But
we're
to
not going
me,
to
it's
learn much from
confusing.
that. Why don't we go to their product pages and see what it actually is?
You want to see a
Ah,
product, collect feedback, inform product strategy, align internally, enterprise, okay, engage customers, conduct product research, integrations. I feel like the it's a mixed bag here. Like this
yeah.
is it's features.
There's also impact report. What's that? On the bottom. What is that? What? Oh, it's like a tab within a
It's
tab. Oh.
clickable? No, it's not clickable.
Huh?
It is. Why is it not clicking? I can see the URL. Why is it not opening? So
Here's a bug.
there's some bug here. I'm clicking, left clicking it like vigorously, not happening. I had to open a new tab for it to open. So user voice, fix it. People are not getting to the new impact report.
Yeah. All right. Hmm.
Your answers are just two steps away. User feedback can be both insightful and urgent. Analysis of customer pain points and business value hidden in your feedback.
I feel like I feel like instead of having these sentences where it's like sales speak, maybe you should just tell me what it does. Like you could
Yeah.
say launch a feedback form in seconds or
Here, this should be the main, not, it shouldn't be like
header.
the smallest text. Easily search for related ideas to group into a single list of ideas. Using concept search are powerful tool that understands both feedback and search words. It looks like they're leveraging AI to group
Yeah.
similar feedback into one.
All right. How's their
I,
technical looking?
I don't know technical, but we can talk on page.
Yeah, on page.
Too big. At least the headings are fine. Um, become the team that. That's the only because that's not changing.
Hmm.
Okay, so that's like the H1, is it? Yeah,
Oh,
that's not a good H1.
yeah. You should have the name of your features in
And
H1.
then feels confident about mine's gold from product feedback, aligns team, actually understand your customers, moves fast,
These are all
builds
H2s.
trust. Yeah, all H2s feels confident H2. Your answers are just okay. Your answers are just 2 steps away. But what would this even like these feature pages? What keyword would they be targeting? Like I feel like collect user feedback. That's like a keyword. That sounds like a keyword. Collect feedback with user voice. So there should be optimizing better.
Yeah, because the H1 is
Understand
different.
what your customer really want. No, I want to. No, okay. So they need to do some on-page optimization for sure in terms of like keyword targeting.
Yeah.
The design is super nice. I really like the clean design, but in terms of on page, you really be gotta be targeting better the
Yeah.
keywords and understanding which keywords you want to target. Like, how are they performing really?
Not
4K
bad.
traffic, very high DR, which
Wow.
is amazing. Um, but very low. Hold on. Very low traffic, very low keywords for the DR. That's
Yeah.
not a proportion. That's super weird.
Something's going on here. Maybe they built some backlinks.
I want to focus on, yeah, but to build some backlinks to DR89, that's not some, that's a lot of backlinks and expensive ones. Um,
Wow, look at that.
so they have a blog, resources blog,
They rank for a lot of stuff.
AI images. Yeah, a lot of AI images. So AI slash Canva images using this is such a Canva image, a stock image from Canva.
Yeah.
Um,
I don't think there's any author pages, are there?
I don't know, but like, why is this image used for user story mapping? The
Yeah.
key to building better product. Why is this the feature image? How is that? This is just what's happening. It's loading, Ben.
I think you clicked on the image.
I didn't click on anything.
Oh, I don't know.
Ben, it's loading. I'm scared.
Refresh.
What is going on?
Ah,
You
uh,
see?
oh boy.
Something's loading. I'm tempted to wait and see.
Well,
Um,
the headers are good. On page looks good. They don't have an author page, and the breadcrumbs are a little bit too generic.
I don't know if they're clickable even. I see that they have nothing is clickable. I don't know.
Nice
It's
table of
loading.
contents.
Whatever's happening.
That's weird.
Is it only on this article? Is it specifically this one? Nope.
Ah, boy.
Boy,
That's
oh
impressive.
boy. I don't know what this loading is. Oh, can we inspect it? What is it? It's a pop-up loading. So there's a pop-up
Hmm.
loading here.
Their pop-up broke from Chili
Bye-bye,
Peppers.
pop-up.
Well,
Okay,
how'd you
now
do
we
that?
can just deleted it from the inspect element. I want to see the website. I want to see what we're doing. Foldingburritos.com, blog Kano models.
What? Holding
Okay.
burritos.
I don't know what folding
Stay
burritos
on
is.
topic, man. All right.
Intercom blog. Okay.
And they linked some really
So
good. They're linking out to some good people.
so there's the breadcrumbs working well. 6 minute read. I don't understand this. This this entire thing, remove it. Put like an
Yeah.
author, remove the image. If this is what I'm landing on, I mean, ignore the never-ending loading
Yeah.
thingy pop up. If this is what I'm landing on, when this doesn't give me any value, like how the top product management prioritization frameworks to boost your product success, how is this relevant? An image of glasses and a pen,
It's true. Not related.
empty spaces
That's true.
everywhere. It should be fixed with formatting, not with empty lines. Um, I like the internal links or external links, the linking, the way they link.
There's no
Um,
visuals.
there's no visuals. It looks like is this text bigger all of a sudden? Look, this and this is not the same size.
No, it's not.
Why
The
is it
bullet
bigger?
points are
Because it's a
bigger.
bullet point?
Yeah. Good
Yeah.
catch.
Why are bullet points bigger? That's jarring.
I don't
Uh,
know.
oh, there's a link. There's an internal link here.
This includes your customers. Well, what does that go to? Customer-centric product strategy.
Bad anchor,
Bad anchor text, guys.
including support,
Anchor
product
text should
development and
be
support. So
product
also
strategy.
there's also bad anchor text usage. How to improve communication between product development and support, including support. That's not the anchor you're looking for.
Wow, there's no banner. It's just a text link. Free trial of user voice
It's,
today.
I mean, I'm not against having CTAs in the text. It's a good thing.
Yeah.
But A, they should look different than regular text. I don't know, put italics on it if you want, I don't know, make it somewhat different. And B, it's a supplement to banners and to other converting elements. It
Yeah.
cannot be the only one. And at the end of the article, the last words, like most people don't reach this even if they read through the article.
Yeah. You got to add some banners, some visuals, change your text, your formatting,
So this is some weird behavior.
add
So
an
five
author
product
tag,
management. Look what happens. I click this, it cuts me
tremendous.
down to here. I click this, I lose everything.
It
And
takes
it's a
it takes you below the header that you clicked on, but it doesn't show you the actual header.
yeah.
Okay.
So it's taking because it doesn't take the sticky menu into account, I think, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
it doesn't take the sticky menu into account.
Yeah.
It doesn't follow you all the way down. Like, why is it stopping there? Why is it not continuing to follow until here?
There's a giant white space.
Dead space. Uh, why not offer the free trial here? Why are you pushing people to your newsletter?
Yeah.
Is it, I don't know if it's active, not active, but why would you want to take them there instead of your trial? I mean, you're offering a free trial here.
Yeah.
Offer it there.
And show us
Um,
some images of your product. I mean, maybe this blog post doesn't relate to the product,
the
but
top product management prioritization frameworks to boost your product success. It's super related to the product, I think. Show some graphs, some
yeah,
infographics, some
video.
design. Make this entire thing more digestible, more
Yeah.
mm, nice to consume. No, is this even bigger? Hold on.
Yeah, that text is the bullet points are bigger than the regular text.
But
For
this
sure.
is even bigger. This is even bigger than the bullet points.
Maybe. I don't know. But yeah, you should clean up your formatting. But they also have a glossary section. You should
So
check that
this
out.
is 20 pixels. Hold on.
That's also
This is 20 pixels as well.
the same.
Yeah, interesting. It looks bigger.
Go to their footer real quick. They have a glossary section as well.
I saw somebody discussing this glossary approach,
Wow.
but there's not much here.
I would, well, click on one of them. I mean, do any of them rank? Because there's probably a lot of good info there, just the same issues.
Does glossary rank? Yeah, some of it ranks second page a lot.
Yeah.
Hmm.
It's a good opportunity there. There's a lot of stuff you can write about.
It's not the most
Yeah.
converting type of content, but it's also very generic. Like if we look at the keywords, right? Like what do we have here?
Product backlog.
Beta testing, survey. What is a survey? I mean,
Yeah.
I don't know who's the one asking this question. I feel like it's a question asked by like
Mm.
14-year-olds that don't know the word yet,
Mhm. Yeah.
because everybody knows what a survey is, but like cab marketing, yeah, okay, I can understand that that's a unique term, but a survey, it's a dictionary
Yeah.
question.
Competing with a
So,
dictionary.
yeah, I'm pretty sure. Let's see. I want to see who's ranking on what is a survey. Wikipedia, Smart Survey.
Qualtrics, university pages.
Yeah, I mean, that's not a product, pipeline question or whatever.
Yeah.
Product management.
Wow. Feel like we covered a lot here.
So I feel like they have some good foundation, but they got stuff to work on. These
Yeah.
images, I mean, these images, they annoy me. It's so generic.
Yeah. You can create better ones with ChatGPT nowadays.
That this thing,
Yeah.
which I
Broken
don't know
profiles,
what this is,
author pages,
but
better formatting,
remove this. Um,
CTAs and banners.
Formatting. Oh, there's an image.
Oh, this is that guy. All right. That's a video game they're talking about. Look at that.
Yeah.
There's a banner.
Why is it not placed across the entire website? Like, why are you not placing this banner like midway through the content across the board? Why is it like at the end here and
Look,
next
there's
to
an
the
author.
CTA?
There's an author. It's Heather Tipton.
Content marketing, Heather Tipton doesn't lead to anything.
Wow.
Let's look at their top pages. 207 pages. A big website. Not big, not huge, but it's a big website.
They're ranking well on a few things here.
Yeah, I mean, there's some good. They could do so much better though,
Yeah.
with like simple changes. Let's do it in a different way. Okay,
Now what
this
are you
thing.
doing?
I want to see if there's an author page.
Ah.
No
No.
author pages.
All right. Well, what score would you give him?
What score would I give user voice?
Yeah.
Not a very good one, to be honest. Um, there's some obvious user experience issues, obvious on-page issues, obvious strategy issues, SEO strategy issues, copy issues where it's not very clear and you're emphasizing sales pitches over actual substance, design issues within the content, CRO issues. There's a whole project to be done here. There's a whole project to that can be lifted here.
Yeah.
I see.
Me too. I was also
Yeah,
going to see.
yeah, I see. I feel like they can improve on all aspects, on all in all directions, and they
Yeah.
have they
Yeah.
are for it. Like they have the foundation for it.
Yeah.
They should be churning up much more traffic than this.
Yeah.
It's crazy that they're only doing 3K traffic. And I don't know what their strategy is, like their overall strategy, but I'm sure there's plenty more topics to write up. I mean, like they're ranking for 3,000 keywords. Let's see what's not in the top 10. So from 11, most of it.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, but they are 89.
Yeah.
They're not in the top 10 for user feedback. Customer feedback platform. I mean, that's that's what you're selling, no? That you
Yeah.
should be in the top 10 with such a high DR.
Yeah.
Like who's in the top 10? Lower DRs.
Yeah, for sure. But still powerful sites, probably. HubSpot.
Like what
Yeah.
would be their like product? No, let's look for like their try and look for their like, you know, the keyword that really
Collect customer feedback.
like we don't understand the business, but that shouldn't be going to blog. That should go to product page. That's not a blog, is it? No, it's not a blog. Features. There we go. There is some blogs, but
Yeah.
that should be a product page.
Yeah. Got to fix your headers and optimize those product pages.
Yeah, you gotta assign keywords to each feature page, optimize the headers for it, optimize the metadata for it. There's a whole project to be done here.
Yeah.
And I don't know,
If you guys need help, reach out. We're here for you.
definitely. There's a lot of stuff to do here. And there's a big website to go over. And I mean, could also take a look at the blog, like see what is relevant, what is not relevant. A lot of I feel like Google is moving, not only feel, but with all the geo and LLMs, it's pretty clear that Google is pushing EAT across the board, and it's pushing to for websites to be hyper specialized in what they do. So ranking on content that is not necessarily your related to your product, your I'm going to say product,
Yeah.
not ICP as well, because ICP can be a lot of things. But if it's not product related in any way and it's not product forward, then you shouldn't be there.
In this case, it would be development, I think. Like writing a piece on agile software development pros and cons. I don't know if
Definitely.
that's relevant.
Um,
This whole blog should be about marketing, right?
retrospective meeting, how to.
Retros. Yeah.
I don't know.
They're on the first page, but I wouldn't focus on those. I would start with what are the pain that you're solving for the customer. Start with your product pages, and then improve the formatting and the conversion elements across the entire blog. That should help things.
Hmm.
And yeah, good job, user
Work
voice.
effectively, engineers. How to effectively, how to work effectively with engineers.
And to take out the pop-up.
Definitely.
That's probably gonna improve things a lot.
It's gonna make the content legible, readable. Like people are not gonna bounce back out. Like they have all of the elements, they're just not implementing. Look, a quote section.
Yeah,
I feel like they're doing it, but they're not totally investing, maybe hoping to see results and then double down, but you gotta invest to see results.
it's true.
Can't half-ass it. Doesn't work.
Yeah,
Not at this level.
yeah, for sure.
I mean, you already have enough stuff from this roast to really, I mean, look at this blocks of text. Who's gonna be reading this? Who sees this and say, ah, let's read. That looks juicy. What a juicy paragraph.
Let's print it out
No,
and read it in the bathroom.
Jesus.
Yeah,
No, no. Oh,
good times.
good times. All right. See, it is. I mean, I'm tempted to go minus now after I saw those huge
Right.
bulky paragraphs. But yeah,
Guys, you've
you've
been
been
roasted.
roasted.
And
I'm gonna work on that.
thanks for hanging out with us, y'all, and we'll see you next week.
Peace.
Peace.